video, I'm going to show you an amazing make money online strategy which is really awesome. And this strategy is something which is really what I love, because that's the reason why I'm creating this video showing my face on my computer. Okay, so now let's jump into our awesome juicy content, and you can probably make some good money online with this method. Okay, so now let's get started as soon as possible. So guys, now let's get started and let's take the first step. Okay, the first step is that you need to go to YouTube and you need to search this channel, which is Only Best Ones. Now this is one of the best channel which provides this kind of things. Okay, and this is the channel which is really a good channel to replicate, because the content created by this channel is really simple and really awesome, and many of the people are utilizing the strategy which this channel uses to make money online. Okay, so let me show you what are the tools which are required to make a channel just like this, and what type of content they are creating. And it is really easy and simple to generate this kind of content, and that's the reason why I'm showing you the strategy. Okay, so let's go over here. The first thing you need to do is you need to you can see what type of videos this channel is creating. They are creating 11 best Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra cases. Okay, so now this is something which is a really niched product. Okay, now phone cases. Okay, not many of the people are creating videos like top 5 laptops, top 5 phones, but very less people are creating videos like phone covers. Okay, as well as you can see how many videos have you seen about the best iPhone Pro, Max, Car Mini. Okay, so there are different products, best iPad 4 screen protectors. So they are creating these videos with some different products. Okay, not with the same products like top 5 laptops or top 5 games or smartphones, because they have a lot of competition. But this type of products which are top 5 smartphone covers, this type of the channel has very less competition, and that's the thing which is a USP of this channel. Okay, let me show you what type of content this channel is creating, and that is also something which is really awesome, as well as how this channel is monetizing is also going to be revealed in this video. So you can just grab their entire strategy and replicate it for yourself and start generating money out of it. Okay, this is a affiliate marketing machine channel which people are utilizing to make $1,000 every single day. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to let's just open one of the videos of them. Okay, so now you can see. Okay, so you can see there is an ad playing on this video. So from this we can say that this video is monetized. Okay, so they are making AdSense revenue from this video, as well as this is a tech channel. Okay, so most of the things which they talk about is technology. That's the reason why this channel is having a really high CPM. That means they are probably making good CPM, that is $5 or more per 1,000 views from this channel.
Huh. A video editor for all creators.
What you doing there?
Hi, what's up?
Okay, so you can see they are just using a text to speech software. Okay, or they are giving the voiceover by themselves. Okay, so you can give a voiceover by yourself. So they are just talking about the stuff. Okay, and then what they are doing is that they are downloading some of the images from Amazon.com. Okay, and they are just so they are going to Amazon.com, and then they are finding a particular product, for example best cover for iPhone. Okay, so they went to Amazon, search for the product, and then what they are doing is that they are providing they are downloading all the images of that Amazon product. Okay, so which can be easily done by this. Okay, this is called video grabber. Okay, you can download any product video from Amazon.com utilizing this. Okay, so if you are searching for example, if I want to download a video which is about this bag or about this mouse. Okay, so I can download all that videos using this Chrome extension. Okay, so this is the Chrome extension which you can utilize, through which you can download any product videos from Amazon, and that is something which is really awesome. Okay, they are just downloading those videos and then they are creating a compilation and also they are downloading some images and they are just creating a compilation video out of it. Okay, so you can see this is just a compilation video and this guy is giving a voiceover. Okay, and the voiceover is based upon the data which is provided by Amazon. For example, Amazon will provide you all the information about the iPhone 5 case. Okay, what is the color of the case, and they are just probably talking about what are the features of this case, how this case really looks and all that stuff. Okay, and you can see they are just compiling some of the videos and they are coming out with this content, okay, which is absolutely monetized, and also they are really making some good money with Amazon links. Okay, so whatever the product they have mentioned over here in this videos, you can see all the Amazon affiliate links are provided over here. Now if someone clicks on this Amazon affiliate link and buys anything from Amazon within 24 hours, the owner of this channel, Only Best Ones, will receive a really good commission. Okay, as well as this is something which is a worldwide accepted strategy, and this strategy is really the most amazing strategy which many of the people utilize. Just create faceless YouTube channels and they are making this type of channels because this type of channels are really money generating machines. Okay, so once you just put in 500 videos on this channel is going to be listed on YouTube for lifetime, and for lifetime people are gonna watch these videos and they are gonna purchase something from Amazon, and you are gonna receive commission for a very very long period of time just by putting your work on this. Okay, and the work is really minimal. All you need to do is download videos and images from Amazon, and you just need to compile them using a video editor, provide a little bit of voiceover, and everything has been covered. And this is the best way to make some good decent income online as soon as possible, because many of the people are not at all doing this strategy, and that's the reason why you are having a big opportunity to make money online with this method. Now let me show you one of the secret which will really increase your revenue twice if you decide to work on this strategy. Okay, now you can see they are having this affiliate links. Okay, but this affiliate links probably work in US. Okay, so maybe they are having a US or a country specific Amazon affiliate. Okay, so an Amazon affiliate account is mostly country specific, but I'm gonna show you a method from which you can just create an Amazon affiliate link which is worldwide. Okay, which works worldwide. So any person from any country of the world clicks on that affiliate link and purchases something from Amazon, then you will receive a commission for that. In this way you are going to double down your commission. Okay, so for that you just need to utilize a very small tool which is available for a very less price. The tool is known as Genius Link. Okay, now this is the tool from which you can create international Amazon affiliate links. Okay, just utilize this tool and create affiliate links for your Amazon. Okay, and once someone clicks on this Genius Amazon affiliate link, no matter from whichever country they click on, you are gonna receive the commission for that. But don't do this. Okay, don't just target because this guy is losing a lot of money because his Amazon affiliate links are only one country specific. But with this tool your Amazon affiliate links will become international, and if a person from any country in the world watches your video, clicks on the affiliate link, buys something from Amazon within 24 hours, you will be receiving a good commission for that product. Okay, and that is something which you can utilize. This is the entire business strategy of this particular person who he is utilizing really very easily. Okay, and this is the extension which you can use to download videos of Amazon product, and you can download images easily from Amazon. Okay, so you just need to click on this right button and you can click on the save image, and in this way you can download images from Amazon, okay, and then create a compilation video and start uploading those videos to YouTube, okay, and start generating this passive revenue for yourself as soon as possible. So if you got some value out of this video, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching this awesome video.